So tonight we're making air fryer meatloaf for one. The last thing I want to do after working all day is to spend all night cooking. So we're going to keep this under 30 minutes. First thing, you need to preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees. That way it's ready when we are, and we're not just sitting around staring at raw beef. This is a straightforward meatloaf, no extra steps, no drama. All we need is a pound of ground beef, 1 egg, a little splash of milk, a little ketchup, some saltine crackers, about a handful, and Lipton onion soup mix. That onion soup mix has been carrying dinners for decades. All right, so we're gonna start with the egg. Put it in your bowl. Whisk it with a fork, nothing fancy, just break it up. Next, we're gonna add the ground beef. Now we're gonna toss in a handful of saltines. I've already used this pack, so we're just gonna pull some out of here. Not worried about exact measurements. That ought to do it. We're going to add a splash of milk. We're aiming for moist, not mysterious. Then our Lipton onion soup mix. For a pound of ground beef, I just used the whole package. There comes 2 in a pack. Now to mix it, you're just going to have to get your hands dirty. All right, so mix gently. Over mixing makes tough meatloaf, and nobody wants to chew that long. It's probably good right there. All right, we're going to shape it into a low oval, about 2 inches thick. Tall meatloaf takes a lot longer to cook and will test your patience. By now, the air fryer should be preheated. Just put the meatloaf directly on the rack. Cook at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. This is a good time to make a side, do some push-ups, or just hover nearby like it's going to do something unexpected. Check the description if you want a list of the ingredients and the steps that I took to make this, plus links to some of the different things that I'm using in this video to make it. After 20 minutes, pull it out. Now we add the ketchup. Waiting until the end keeps it from burning and turning bitter. This step is technically optional. Emotionally, it's not. Back into the air fryer for 3 more minutes, just enough to set the glaze. Once it's done cooking after 3 minutes, just go ahead and pull it out. You probably want to let it rest a minute. Cooked through, still juicy, exactly what we're after. That's a solid dinner. Simple, filling, and no leftovers staring at you tomorrow. If you're cooking for one and want real food without the hassle, this is a good one to keep around. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. The Roman Skillet. Eat good wherever you land.